1. Hayaku khake, meaning call early. 2. Hayaku nero, meaning sleep soon. 3. Osake o nomuna, meaning don't drink. 4. Hayaku neruna, meaning don't go to bed early. 5. Isoge, meaning hurry up. 6. Nigero, meaning run away. 7. Akirame runa, meaning do not give up. 8. Ganbare, meaning keep it up. 9. Suruna, meaning do not do it. 10. Benkeushiro, meaning study. 11. Kaisa ni koi, meaning come to the company. 12. Asumuna, meaning don't rest. 13. Koko ni kin ento kaite arimasu, meaning it says no smoking here. 14. Kono kanji wa douyu imi desu ka? Meaning what does this kanji mean? 15. Kore wa koko de tabako o sutte wa dame to yu imi desu. Kore wa koko de tabako o sutte wa dame to yu imi desu, meaning this means you shouldn't smoke here. 16. Kono kotoba wa nan to yu imi desu ka? Meaning what does this word mean? 17. Kono bunno wa nan to yu imi desu ka? Meaning what does this sentence mean? 18. Kono tabemono wa zenbu tabenasai. Meaning eat all this food. 19. Otousan ni tegami o kakinasai. Meaning write a letter to your dad. 20. Issoni hanashi nasai. Issoni hanashi nasai, meaning talk together. Talk together. 21. Sensei wa nan to itte imashita ka? Sensei wa nan to itte imashita ka? Meaning, what did the teacher say? What did the teacher say? 22. Sachou wa nichiyoubi wa asumi to itte imashita. Sachou wa nichiyoubi wa asumi to itte imashita. Meaning, the president said Sunday was a holiday. The president said Sunday was a holiday. 23. Mira-san ni ato sukoshi okureru to tsutaete itadakemasen ka? Mira-san ni ato sukoshi okureru to tsutaete itadakemasen ka? Meaning, could you tell Mira that I will be a little late? Could you tell Mira that I will be a little late? 24. Kono kanji wa nan to yomimasu ka? Kono kanji wa nan to yomimasu ka? Meaning, how do you read this kanji? How do you read this kanji? 25. Kore wa nan to kaite arimasu ka? Kore wa nan to kaite arimasu ka? Meaning, what does this say? What does this say? 26. Otou-san no wa nan to itte imashita ka? Otou-san no wa nan to itte imashita ka? Meaning, what did your dad say? What did your dad say? 27. Shigoto chiu wa suwaru na. Shigoto chiu wa suwaru na. Meaning, don't sit at work. Don't sit at work. 28. Kono kaisha de nani mo suru na. Kono kaisha de nani mo suru na. Meaning, don't do anything at this company. Don't do anything at this company. 29. Kono isu kara ugoku na. Kono isu kara ugoku na. Meaning, don't move from this chair. Don't move from this chair. 30. Ji wa nan to yomun desu ka? Ji wa nan to yomun desu ka? Meaning, how do you read the letters? How do you read the letters? 31. Kore wa douyu imi nan desu ka? Kore wa douyu imi nan desu ka? Meaning, what does this mean? What does this mean? 32. Moshi kashitara asumi o toru kamoshirenai to itte imashita. Moshi kashitara asumi o toru kamoshirenai to itte imashita. Meaning, he said he might take a rest. He said he might take a rest. 33. Kono sentaku ki wa shiuri chiu to tsutaete kudasai. Kono sentaku ki wa shiuri chiu to tsutaete kudasai. Meaning, please tell me that this washing machine is under repair. Please tell me that this washing machine is under repair. 34. Ano maku wa douyu imi desu ka? Ano maku wa douyu imi desu ka? Meaning, what does that mark means? What does that mark means? 35. Hasai ikawa mureuto kaite arimasu. Hasai ikawa mureuto kaite arimasu. Meaning it says that children under the age of 8 are free. It says that children under the age of 8 are free. 36. Abunai desu kara doko mo ikuna. Abunai desu kara doko mo ikuna. Meaning it is dangerous because don't go anywhere. It is dangerous, so don't go anywhere. 37. Okasan no wa gohan o tsukuru to itte imashita. Okasan no wa gohan o tsukuru to itte imashita. Meaning mom said she would cook rice. Mom said she would cook rice. 38. Tomodachi ni party ga aru to tsutaete itadakemasen ka? Tomodachi ni party ga aru to tsutaete itadakemasen ka? Meaning, can you tell your friends that there is a party? Can you tell your friends that there is a party? 39. Kare wa uta o utaeru to itte imashita. Kare wa uta o utaeru to itte imashita. Meaning, he said he could sing a song. He said he could sing a song. 40. Sensei ni pasokon o khau to tsutaete itadakemasen ka? Sensei ni pasokon o khau to tsutaete itadakemasen ka? Meaning, could you tell the teacher that you will buy a computer? Could you tell the teacher that you will buy the computer?